What's going on, guys? Gabe here with Trade 1348, and today we're going to do a refresher on the MACD. And the reason for this is because, well, we have a brand new, shiny, exciting platform, but we also are a community who leans on one another. And with that being said, those who are familiar with our system can quickly and easily refer the newcomers, those who are just onboarding, to the basics of our strategy with Trade 1348. So we are going to start with the MACD. This is probably the most basic of indicators, but also an indicator that traders pretty much know and love. All right, so let's get right into it. Now, the MACD, or the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular technical indicator used by traders to identify potential buy and sell opportunities. And you guys are familiar with this. You can see how the MACD oscillates along with price action. All right, now you can use MACD in pretty much any and every financial market. So the MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26-day exponential moving average, EMA, which we affectionately call it Eat My Ass in the Discord. Hey, we have a sense of humor. From the 12-day, this results in the MACD line, and no, you cannot get fries with that. Now, a 9-day EMA of the MACD line is then plotted to create the signal line, and this is what we would use our crossovers of McDonald's and Signal, or MACD and Signal. The MACD line and the signal lines are typically displayed on a chart along with the financial instrument's price action. You can assume that as you see the MACD going up, you should see price going up. But when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is considered a bullish signal and a potential buy opportunity. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is considered a bearish signal and a potential sell opportunity. So by looking at the charts, you are able to infer that this is in fact the case. Now, the MACD can also be used to identify potential trend changes by looking for divergences between the MACD line and the price action. A bullish divergence occurs when the MACD line makes a higher low while the price action makes a lower low. This can be a sign that the underlying trend is losing momentum and could potentially reverse. Now, a bearish divergence, on the other hand, occurs when the MACD line makes a lower high while price action makes a higher high. In addition to the MACD line and the signal line, traders may often look at the MACD histogram, and this is what we affectionately call the green bars or the red bars, or basically she's on her period as we enter lighter pink. Listen, I try to stay uncringed, but we got to make trading fun. You can look at the MACD histogram, which is a visual representation of the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. When the MACD histogram is above 0, it indicates that the MACD line is above the signal line, and vice versa. The height of the histogram bars can also provide additional information about the strength of the underlying trend, your momentum. Overall, the MACD is a useful tool for traders looking to identify potential buy and sell opportunities and potential trend changes. It could also be used in conjunction with other technical indicators and analysis techniques to provide a more comprehensive view of the market. And with that, we have the RSI, which we'll cover in our next video. As we go through the videos, you will see how we compound the components and then introduce you to the 1348 EMA crossover strategy, the most profitable crossover strategy on the planet. See you in the next video. Peace.